you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kitty and I do subscription unboxings pretty much every single day here. So if you like unboxing and beauty and skincare and craft videos as well, I would love it if you subscribe. So today we're opening up 2 subscriptions and this is going to be like a part 1. So we have 2 months of Annie's Creative Woman of the Month Club, and there is each of these bags here. So this is what the wrapping looks like. So Annie's actually has so many different craft subscriptions. They call them Annie's Kit Clubs, and today we're opening the Annie's Creative Woman Kit Club. So every single month you get a new craft sent to you so you can learn new hobbies. I think this has been such a great subscription, especially during recent times since I'm spending more time at home. I really want to have more hobbies. I realize maybe I don't have enough, and crafting is something that is super fun. I honestly am not the best at it, so I feel like you could be anywhere from a beginner to more advanced with these crafts. So today we are going to do an unboxing of both of these, and then in part 2 we'll actually be making the crafts. So since I'm opening both the May and June today, I decided to just put it into 2 parts because some of you guys expressed that you would like to see me doing the crafts. I know others would just like to see what is inside, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, they have like 11 or 12 other craft subscriptions besides this one, so I'm going to link them down below. I actually have a 50% off code to share with you guys. So the subscription we're opening today is already really affordable. It's $19.99, but with my code you can get your first box for 50% off, and that will work on all of the Annie subscription plans. So definitely check those out. There's one for like quilting, crocheting. There really is an option for most crafts, so check it out. There's even one for like younger children as well, and jewelry making. I think the jewelry one seems really awesome. But anyways, let's get started, and I will first open the May subscription. Oh, and I forgot to remind you guys, like I have been in the beginning of all my videos, there is still a 9,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It's a big thank you to all of you for all your support. So I will link that at the end of the video if you have not yet subscribed. So when I open it up, everything is packed up right here. Well, one thing was outside of it. So it looks like, oh my gosh, the May box is boho macrame dangles. So let's get this open. I know it's a little reflective with that plastic. So here is what we will be making in this box. On the inside, it'll talk about all of the materials and anything you may need at home. It gives you some helpful hints, and then step-by-step instructions with images as well, which is super helpful. So in your kit, you have cotton rope, and we have it in several different colors that are also pretty. So here's like a navy blue, like a baby pink, maroon color, pretty like sage green, and then a cream color. So look how pretty these colors are. They're like right up my alley. And then it has lava rondels. Am I saying that wrong? You can tell I'm not that good at crafts, or I'm still learning, I should say. Or maybe these are. No, these are the swivel lobster clasp hooks. And then these must be the lava rondels. And then we have a yarn needle right here. And it says from home you'll need a ruler, scissors, and tape. And some helpful hints. Please read all the hints before you begin. Tape the swivel hook to work surface to keep it moving around. Make different combinations of patterns and colors. Oh, and it talks about these lava rondels. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but it says these make a great diffuser. You can add perfume or essential oils to the rondels if you like. That's awesome. If you guys know, or maybe you don't, I get essential oil subscription boxes as well, so I definitely have some oils around to do that. And you can make the dangles longer or shorter by adjusting the rope lengths. And it gives you instructions to make several different styles. You could do the feather cut, or I don't know if feather cut's the right word, but the feather style of macrame, double spiral, or square knot with rondels. So this one seems a little difficult, but it looks like when I look at this in the front, like that makes it look difficult to me, but when you look at their instructions step by step, it looks definitely doable. So I think the colors are so pretty. I'm excited to do this, so stay tuned for that. Now let's look at what is in the June subscription. Since we're getting towards the end of May, I think if you sign up right now, this is what you will be getting. Mine came early this month. I was getting ready to do my May box, and then the June showed up, so That is why we're doing them together today. Oh, cool. So it looks like we're making what they call a Tabasco basket. I have been trying to update my home decor, so this is perfect. These crafts can give me something to do, learn a new hobby, and make my home cuter. Yeah. So here is a closer look. So tobacco basket. So in here we have basket reed, which I believe is this right here. We have clothespins, paint. Looks like we have titanium white paint right here, and a paintbrush, a stapler and staples. Oh, that's so cute. Look, they even give us a little stapler. I'm surprised they weren't like just use whatever you have at home. So that's nice. I can keep this little stapler in my office when I'm done. And then it says we have sandpaper. We got that right here. Floral wire and a wreath. And from home, you'll need a bowl, spoon, cardboard, glue, scissors, rule, and pencil. And that gives you some hints. It says, please read all the hints before you begin. Make sure to cover your work surface before starting. And to open the paint tubes, knead the paint to mix. So first it looks like you prepare the basket reed, and then you assemble the basket. I think I'm the most excited about this one. I've never made anything like this. So, yeah, see how nice how they give step-by-step instructions, and then that's how it will look when it's done. I think that is super cute. I really like the look of that. I'm so excited to make this. So that is everything that came in both the May and June Annie's Creative Woman of the Month kit. Again, I'm going to leave the link down below, and make sure if you subscribe to use that 50% off code. I think that is such a great deal, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for part 2. If you're watching this video later on, and I already filmed part 2, I will link that down below or pin a comment. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much. I hope you're safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.